Hi Team Poco. So today we are going to make ice cream sundaes. So what you will need is a lot of jars, because guess what? Everything that we're going to be making today can pretty much be made in a jar besides the chocolate sauce. So first, because it's going to take the longest time, we're going to make some vanilla ice cream. So you're going to need a half a cup of heavy cream in a jar. If you are afraid of glass, you can use a plastic container. It just needs to be able to be a container that can be sealed, okay? So into this heavy cream, you are going to put 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, and as well as a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. The salt was in with my sugar today. So then next what you're going to do is you're just going to shake this. And we're going to shake this. I want you to set a timer. You're going to shake it for 4 minutes. After you're done shaking it, you're going to throw it into the freezer, and we're going to freeze it for 3 hours or until it's solid, okay? I'm not going to do it all because we have a lot of things to make. So shake this for 4 minutes, throw it in the freezer for 3 hours. Okay. Then our next thing that we make in a jar is going to be some whipped cream. Whipped cream also needs a half a cup of heavy cream, but this time you're going to need a tablespoon of confectioner's sugar, so powdered sugar, and then we're going to need a half a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to put it in a jar, make sure that it's sealed, or a plastic container, and we're going to shake that, and that is also going to be about 4 minutes. You're going to notice a difference. All of a sudden you hear how it sounds like liquid, and then all of a sudden it's going to sound like a thud. So let's shake it until it starts to be a thud. Then the last thing that we're going to make is going to be our chocolate sauce to go with our ice cream sundae. So for that, you will definitely need a saucepan like this, and then, okay, so now we have our thud. It's very silent, but it definitely doesn't sound like liquid. So I'm going to open this up and we can look at it. It's a little loose. We're going to go a little bit longer now. Our whipped cream is done. I'm going to set that aside, and now we're going to make our chocolate sauce. So for our chocolate sauce, what we are going to need is granulated sugar. This is going to be a half a cup. And then we need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And we'll use a handy dandy rubber spatula to get that out. Okay, and then we have water and butter. So we have a 1/4 cup of water, and then we have 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're just going to mix this together and let it melt. So you want to melt everything together, and you want to boil it, and you want to continuously stir it because you don't want the bottom of the pot to done. With that, you just need to add your vanilla extract. So vanilla extract is alcohol based, so if you add it in when you're cooking, it's going to evaporate and a lot of the flavor will go away. So that's always why you want to put your vanilla extract in at the end of cooking things that are going to be heated. So then we have our chocolate syrup, we have a sneaky brownie, we have vanilla ice cream, and whipped cream. So I thought we could make a little bit of a brownie sundae. We'll break up our brownie into our ice cream. And we have a little special guest who's frustrated that we're making food and we're not playing with him at the moment. And we have our chocolate sauce, which we can actually just pour a little bit on. Whoop. And we'll get some whipped cream. A dollop of whipped cream. And there you go, my friends. You have a brownie sundae in a jar that you made all yourself. So you can do it in a larger container and you can increase the recipe for the ice cream, but this way everybody gets to make their own individual one. So each kid gets to make their own individual sundae with whatever they want. If they don't want brownies, you take it. You take it where you like. All right, I'll see you guys later. Have a good day.